welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and I'm really excited to have you here for another video. In the past several months, I've made two different videos that prompted today's video. The first one was several months ago. I made a video about how much money I make on YouTube, and the reaction to that video was kind of crazy because so many people commented and they said, wow, I had no idea that you could make that much money from a YouTube channel, especially such a small YouTube channel, because at the time that I made that video, I only had about 20,000 subscribers, I think. So go check that out if you haven't watched that already. And then just a few weeks ago, I made a video about everything that I'd learned in the first year of my YouTube channel and how I've grown my YouTube channel to about 55,000 or 60,000 subscribers in that first year. Both of those videos got a really good response, and so I wanted to give you guys some more information, but especially because once I made that second video and I was talking about how much my channel had grown, a lot of people commented and they said they wanted to know more about how much money my channel was making now and what I had done to make my channel be so successful and especially so profitable in just 1 year. So right now I'll insert a clip that just shows a little bit about how much my channel is making right now. I think that it's around $3,500 per month, which is not like a huge amount of money, but it's a fair lot of money considering that I'm only putting out 2 videos every week. It's not that much work. Right now I think I'm spending maybe between 5 and 10 hours, but closer to 5 hours per week on my YouTube channel to make that much money, you know, and that's a quite decent income or decent hourly wage for that amount of time that I'm putting into it. So in this video, I wanted to share with you 8 different things that you can do to start a YouTube channel that makes money, or like changes that you can make to your channel if you already have a channel so that it can start making more money. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, even before you start your channel, or if you've already started it, you know, you can do this now, choose a main focus for your channel. Now, it's totally alright if on your channel you talk about several different things and you're incorporating different ideas and there's, you know, a variety of content. That's fine, but if you choose a main focus, it's really going to help your channel grow a lot faster because people will know what the key thing that your channel is about, and it'll give them more of a reason to subscribe. It will help you decide exactly what sort of products you'd want to sell, or it will help sponsors understand what the value of working with your channel could be. The second thing you need to do is right in line with that, and that is just to get clear yourself about why someone would choose to subscribe to your channel. This is really important because, again, it will help your channel grow faster because you'll be able to communicate to other people exactly why they would want to subscribe. I mean, after all, if you don't know why someone would subscribe to your channel, then you're not going to really be able to convince people to subscribe because they won't know if you don't know. And then second of all, if you know why people are subscribing to your channel and you're really clear on that, then you'll be able to tell potential sponsors why people are subscribing to your channel, which will help to give the sponsor a better idea of the value of working with your channel, which will encourage them to pay you a lot more. The third thing you need to do is directly tied to the money, so maybe this is the most fun part, and that is just to brainstorm a bunch of different ways that you can monetize your channel. Now, at first, you might only be able to think of 2 different main ways, and that would be Adsense, so the ads that play on the videos, you know, YouTube pays you when someone clicks on those ads, and then having sponsors for your videos. Those are the most obvious ways that you can monetize your videos, but there's actually a whole bunch of other ways. Things like maybe you have a service that you could offer to your audience. This could be like a channel review, or you could design thumbnails for them, or maybe it's something completely unrelated to YouTube. Like maybe you like to knit sweaters, or you like to paint pictures, something like that. So anything that you are doing, work that you're doing, is something that your subscribers are potential customers for. You also can do affiliate marketing, which is where you mention products in your videos and you give a link for them, and when someone buys it with your link, you get paid for a percentage of their purchase. You can either do this with a bunch of little products. Most of the time when people are doing that, they're using Amazon. They put Amazon links down below and then they just earn a tiny little fraction for every purchase that's made. Or Or you can focus on one big product. So this might be some sort of online course or something like that, something that's sold for hundreds or thousands of dollars. And for digital products, it's common to get a 50% commission for every sale that's made, but it is a little bit harder to get people to buy those things, so you have to really make it a focus and you have to be mentioning it over and over again and really be talking about it a lot. You also could write an ebook and sell it on your own website, or you could offer a workshop that teaches your audience something that they want to know more about. You can create courses and sell them on your own website or on a site like Udemy. And of course, you also might be able to offer some sort of consulting or coaching to your subscribers if there's something that you're an expert in or just something that you have a lot of experience with. Okay, so I know that that was a lot of information there, but I just wanted to run through all the different ways that you might be able to monetize your channel. So let me recap that real fast. Different ways you could monetize your channel include AdSense, affiliate marketing, offering services, selling ebooks or workshops or online courses, or having sponsors, or offering coaching or consulting. Okay, so I'm not saying, of course, that you monetize your channel in all of those different ways. That would probably be way too much, but I do recommend that you have at least 2 or 3 or 4 different ways that you're monetizing your channel. Now, I have a video on my channel called 10 Ways I Actually Make Money, and a lot of those income sources that I have are actually tied to my YouTube channel in one way or another. Somehow my YouTube channel is driving traffic to those different income sources. So if you want to know more about how I'm actually making money, then you can go watch that video. But I just encourage you to look at this list of ways that you could monetize your channel and then brainstorm specific applications of that. So for example, if you're thinking about services, you need to ask yourself, what services could I provide to my audience? And then come up with a list of different services you could provide. Or what type of course could I create for my audience? And again, come up with a list. And then you'll look at this giant list that you've created of all the different ways that you could monetize your channel, and you'll decide which ones really appeal to you the most, which ones would be easiest for you to implement, which ones are potentially the most profitable, and you'll choose just a couple of them to start working on first. And then down the road, once you have some of these income sources created, then maybe you'll choose to add on some more and grow your income even more. My fourth tip for how to start a YouTube channel that really makes money is to make sure you enable all the ads on your videos. Now this is a little bit counterintuitive, so let me explain. When you decide to monetize your YouTube channel, and I do of course know that YouTube now has some specific requirements for channels that want to monetize, and if you're struggling just to get to that threshold, I recommend you watch my video about how I grew my YouTube channel to 55,000 subscribers in the first year. I'll link that video down below so you can check it out, but I think that that'll really help you get over that hump and be able to monetize your channel. But beyond that, we're talking about which ads to put on your videos, because when you monetize your YouTube channel, YouTube gives you the option so that you can have those ads that play down here as a banner, or the ads that show up before the video as actually a video ad, or the ads that show up in the corner over there as text ads. And a lot of people are a little bit hesitant, to enable all the different types of ads, and sometimes they think, oh, I don't really want those video ads, that might turn people off of my channel. Now on the one hand, that totally makes sense, you want people to have an awesome experience on your channel. But on the other hand, so does YouTube. YouTube definitely does not want to drive people away from your channel or from the platform in general. And so even if you enable all the ads, that doesn't mean that YouTube is going to show all those different ads on every single video. YouTube monitors it very carefully to make sure that they're not showing too many ads and driving people away. But if you choose to enable all those different ads, you will get the maximum opportunities for revenue, and it actually encourages YouTube to promote your videos more, both in the sidebar and in the search results, because if ads are enabled on your video, then when people watch your video, YouTube makes money too, because they get to show the ads from their sponsors. So I highly recommend that you enable ads on all of your videos, and don't worry about driving people away, because people are used to ads on YouTube, and like I said, YouTube is monitoring it really closely. Step number 5 for starting a YouTube channel that makes money is then to promote your products. You already decided how you're gonna monetize your channel, whether that's promoting other people's products or promoting affiliate products or promoting your own products, whether that's something you're handcrafting or an ebook, whatever it is, there's something that is gonna be promoted on your channel if you really wanna make money with your channel. So the next step is to actually promote those products. Step number 6 is to reach out to potential sponsors. Now, as your channel grows, you definitely will start having random companies reach out to you and ask you if you want them to sponsor you. But a lot of times, those companies are not exactly your ideal sponsor, and maybe they are not going to pay you quite as much as you would like to be paid. So instead, make a list of companies that you would love to work with, and of course include a variety of both big and small companies. And then as your channel grows, start reaching out to those sponsors that you would like to have and asking them if they might be interested in working with your channel. And just remember, he who receives is he who asks. Step number 7 is easier said than done, I know, but it's just to grow your channel as big as possible. The bigger your channel is, the more money it has the potential to make. And if you want to learn more about how to grow your channel bigger, faster, then watch that video that I referenced that I'll link down below about how I grew my channel over the first year. Another video you might check out that I didn't mention before, but I think would be really helpful to you, is a video I made a couple months ago all about how I choose viral videos for my YouTube channel. I think that choosing the right video topics is one of the most important things for having a successful YouTube channel and growing your channel quickly. So I'll link that video down below too, and make sure you watch that if you want to find out how to choose video ideas that have the potential to be viral. Okay, so that sums up all of my tips for how to start a YouTube channel that makes money. If you enjoyed this video and you found these tips helpful, then I think you also would really benefit from checking out my masterclass that will be available on May 22nd. The masterclass is all about how to start a successful YouTube channel. It's called Channel Launch: YouTube Success from Scratch. This masterclass will be over 90 minutes of valuable material that will really walk you step by step through everything that you need to do in order to start a wildly successful YouTube channel that actually makes money. Like I said, it will be available on May 22nd. I'll leave a link down below where you can check out the early bird sign up page if that's something that you're interested in. And of course, if you have any questions about the masterclass, you can either leave a comment down below or you can visit my website and use the contact form to email me. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you got a lot out of it. If so, make sure you hit the thumbs up button to let me know and help more people find this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel for 2 videos every week about intentional living, entrepreneurship, and success. I just wanted to take a moment to remind you guys that Startup Society is launching in just a couple weeks now, and space is limited. So if you're not already on the waitlist, make sure you click down below to join the waitlist now so that you are the first to know when doors open. Startup Society is a membership community plus a training program that teaches you everything you need to know to get started making money online and build a successful business. If you want to get started making money online and learn how to build a business that can produce enough income to really support the life that you really desire and to replace your job if that's what you want so that you can have more control over your time and over your schedule, then Startup Society is the place for you. Startup Society is the complete package. It includes an exclusive, really motivating membership community of like-minded entrepreneurs, and it also includes access to all of my training courses that I currently am selling on my website. You get unlimited access to all of them so that you can learn absolutely everything that you need to know in order to be able to confidently build a successful online business. Like I said, doors are opening soon for Startup Society and space is limited, so if you're not already on the waitlist, click down below to get on that waitlist right now. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I really appreciate having you here on my channel, in my community, and I would love to work more closely with you inside Startup Society.